This is the Imagine Dragons Bones remix. And this is super simple.
Patience is waning, is this entertaining?
There's a bit of processing on this one, I think. There's no TT. And there's also removing the low frequencies and boosting the high frequencies. And then we got all the bass sounds. So we got the first sound, which is basically just a reese with a bit of processing. The next one is from Nexus. I can't find the presets that I used, but this one sounds like this. Yeah, it's called Fat Brass, actually, if you want to use it. And then we got this other, which is like a staccato string sound. And then we got the last one, which is gritty bass. Altogether, just everything that is not the sub has a low cut, and some even has a high cut. Which one is this? 14. Yeah, this one, because I don't want this one too much in focus, but more like just in the background. Most of the drums here from Madzi Essentials, except for the crash again. I don't know what more to say. There's no processing on the drums. This one is in 1 and it has absolutely no processing. Sometimes I do processing, but if it sounds good, then why do it, you know? Okay, we're gonna talk about the next one. Like the most super simplest Instagram reel TikTok remix you have ever heard.
Just comes to kill the king upon his throne. I'm ready for their stones. I'll dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands above my head. Jesus said I'm gonna dance, dance, dance with my hands, hands above my head. I'm together, forget before you said because.
And it's so easy. We have the original song in the beginning, no processing, and then we have the original in the drop, which has tiny bit of distortion. It has OTT, and it also has an equalizer, removing the low frequencies. Okay, let's talk about the drums to begin with. Everything here is actually from Madzi Essentials. Go and get the pack, it's very good. It sounds so bad when you hear it, like when you put distortion on a song and just like, even when it's just like the slightest bit, like it's so messed up. But when you hear it together, it's like so crunchy, you know? We're gonna talk about the bass. Stumpy 808. And it's just playing the chord progression from the original here. And that's it for that tutorial. Very simple.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe.